Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about how to create a yearly calendar in Google Sheet 2023. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Google Sheet application, and after you open it, you just need to go click this plus button, and there will be appear two choices here. Either you want to choose the template that provided by the Google Sheet application, or you can also create by your own. But to make you easier to work or create a calendar, you just need to go click the choose template, and you just need to find a annual calendar on the templates. And whenever you find it, you just need to click it and wait until the application is generated the calendar for you. And here is the look. We already have one calendar that we ready to work with. So if you are not satisfied with the color, you just need to change it by block all of the cells that containing the color. Okay, almost there you go. When after you block it, you just need to go jump into these tools and start picking what color that you want to add into your calendar. And after you're done picking the color, you just need to go randomly click in a specific part of the documents. And here you go, you already have the calendar for 2023 from January to December. So that's the way how to create a yearly calendar in Google Sheet. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.